Hi everyone, welcome to the soft side of coding, where you go from noob coder to pro coder. If you want to build the essential soft skills that every programmer needs and avoid beginner mistakes, you are in the right place. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Ready? Let's get started. Today we talk about 10 mistakes new programmers make. This video will help you avoid common problems and grow faster. So let's jump in. Mistake number 1. Saying yes to every project. Many new programmers want to say yes to every opportunity, but this can hurt your quality and your reputation. Learn to say no or negotiate better. Mistake number 2. Underpricing your work. Don't sell yourself short. Low prices can make others think your work is low quality. Research market rates and price your projects fairly. Mistake number 3. Not setting clear expectations. Before you start, agree on deadlines, tasks, and payment. This avoids confusion and protects you later. Trust me. Mistake number 4. Poor communication. Always reply quickly and clearly to clients or teammates. Update them regularly about your progress. Good communications builds trust. Mistake number 5. No contract or written agreement. Even for small projects, use a contract or written agreement about work and payment. It protects both sides. Mistake number 6. Ignoring your portfolio. Clients want to see your best work. Keep your portfolio updated with real projects, not just practice code. Mistake number 7. Not tracking time or task. Without tracking, you can waste hours or lose money. Use simple tools to track your work time and tasks. Mistake number 8. Taking feedback personally. Criticism is normal. Use feedback to improve and do better next time. Mistake number 9. Not asking for testimonials or reviews. Good reviews help you get more clients or jobs. Always ask happy clients or managers to leave feedback. Mistake number 10. Not investing in yourself. Learn new skills, improve soft skills, and update your tools. The coding world changes fast. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips useful, please like this video and subscribe to the soft side of coding. Share your own mistakes or questions in the comments. I read all of them. Remember, I'm here to help you go from noob coder to pro coder. See you in the next video.